Do you like that? Charlie's got his blueberry stick. Num num. Nummy nummy num num noo. Yeah. I know. Probably not going to be able to eat all that. Might make you sick. How about we take it away after 2? There you go. It's a bit of all right. Hey, I've got a whole box of goodies for you. You're going to have ladders and some different perches. Because, you know, you don't have enough stuff. To fix your little blanket here too. To fix your blankie, get your little bed. We've got this. We put some wood in between the gap because it's a flight cage. Yeah. Now I've got to clean out this empty one.